Hello everyone, today I'm going to show in this video tutorial that how I got Fortnite on my iPhone. As you can see guys, I'm connecting right now with the game and I'm going to demonstrate to you in this video tutorial step by step how you can get the game also on your mobiles. It works in all kinds of devices guys, iOS and Android devices. So make sure you watch this video tutorial until the end and then make sure you follow the mentioned steps I'm going to show in this tutorial. Okay, so I'm just going to open the game for a little while. As you can see, everything is working and running perfectly. We will go immediately to show you the steps you need to follow in order to get the game also on your mobiles. So we're just connecting right now with the game. As you can see over here, everything works and runs normally. So let's go immediately to show you the steps you need to follow in order to get the game also. Alright guys, before you start the downloading process, all you have to do, you need to go to make a check-in at settings. So practically you need to go to settings and then battery and make sure that you are not in the lower power mode, so this yellow sign on the top should be switched off in order to get a smoother downloading process. So after you complete this checking, you need to get back to the home menu, and then the second step you need to do, you need to go to Safari, and you're going to face a bunch of other applications inside of the website. There are tweet and modded apps and games also. So as you can see, I'm scrolling for you, there are many of them. So later on you can check by yourself, and if you want to get any one of these apps, you can get it without needing to pay nothing. I'm just going to search in the searching bar so we'll not lose too much time. Fortnite. Okay, here it comes. Fortnite. Download and play Fortnite on iOS and Android for free, it says. You just need to press in the middle guys, and you need to press the sign download now. You just need to wait a couple of seconds, then the downloading process to be done. So as you can see, steps are not so difficult guys. All you have to do, you need to make sure you watch this video until the end and make sure you follow the mentioned steps I'm showing to you. I need to mention to you one more time that also the Android devices can get the game. It is the same steps I'm showing to you in this tutorial with my iPhone. Just a few seconds more and the downloading process is almost done. Okay, the next step guys is going to send you to the verifying zone when it says here download the complete instructions below in order to unlock Fortnite mobile on your device. So in order to unlock the game guys, we need to complete the instructions below. So you're going to face a couple of apps, as you can see over here, same as I did it. So how I got the game and how it worked for me: after I downloaded these two apps and I followed the instructions, it pop up on my iPhone the game after. So I'm going to do it step by step how I did it. So for example, I chose iOS social calendar. I press on it, tap to install. It will connect automatically with the Apple Store in the case when you're using iPhones, and with Play Store in the case when you're using Android. So as you can see over here, to me it says the sign open because I downloaded before the app when I got it Fortnite for myself. So to you to show the sign of downloading, so all you have to do, you need to press download. After downloading, you need to open it for at least 30 seconds, the app. The reason why I need to open for at least 30 seconds guys, it is enough time required information and data processed from the website to the game guys. So after I complete the first app, I got back to the website, then do the second app, which is Singapore. I complete the same instructions. I open for at least 30 seconds, also Singapore, and then later on it pop up on my iPhone Fortnite, as you saw it in the beginning of the video. So guys, if you go to the website and check, here it is, Singapore and I have social calendar. So guys, this is my video tutorial for the day. This is how it worked for me, and this is what I wanted to show it to you. So if you like my video tutorial and if it helped you, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the like button. Thank you for watching. Cheers.